Today we are making sautéed asparagus with melted taleggio, a springy Italian dish for Easter. It serves 4 people and takes about 25 minutes from start to finish. Let us cook. First, let's check the ingredients. 8 ounces of Taleggio cheese, rind removed and sliced. This is our rich, melty star. 1 pound of fresh asparagus, trimmed. Tender and perfectly in season. 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. For lush flavor and a silky sauté. 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. It raises the sauté temperature and brings aroma. 2 cloves of garlic, minced. Adds a quick burst of flavor. 1/4 cup of dry white wine. This will deglaze and brighten the pan. Zest of 1 lemon. Springy citrus oils for fragrance. 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. It balances the richness. 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley. Fresh and green for the finish. 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt. Seasoning to wake everything up. 1/2 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For warmth and bite. Now we'll begin preparing the recipe. Trim the woody ends from the asparagus, give them a quick rinse, and pat them completely dry with a clean towel so they sauté instead of steaming. Finely mince the 2 cloves of garlic, chop the parsley, and zest the lemon. Place each in small bowls so they are ready to add. Place a black cast iron skillet over medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and heat until the butter melts and begins to foam. Add the asparagus to the skillet and sauté, tossing often, for about 4 minutes, until they turn bright green and begin to soften. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of fine sea salt and add half of the black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon. Toss everything to coat evenly. Stir in the minced garlic and sauté for 30 seconds, just until fragrant, taking care not to let it brown. Pour in 1/4 cup of dry white wine and cook for 1 to 2 minutes, scraping the skillet, until the liquid reduces by about half. Add the zest of 1 lemon and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, then toss the asparagus so everything is evenly coated. Arrange the asparagus in a single layer in the skillet. Lay the 8 ounces of Taleggio slices over the top. Cover and lower the heat to low. Let the cheese melt gently for 2 to 3 minutes, until soft and gooey, then turn off the heat. Sprinkle the remaining 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper and the 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley over the melted cheese. Let the skillet rest for 1 minute, then spoon some of the pan juices over the cheese to give it a glossy glaze. Transfer carefully to a warm white ceramic plate, drizzle with any remaining juices, and serve immediately while hot and melty. Now enjoy this incredible recipe with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. If you love this Italian Easter dish, tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new recipe.